Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the keyboard sound on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. That keyboard tapping sound can get really annoying when you are typing a long message. Here is how you can switch it off without having to turn on silent mode. So as you can see, when I type in a note, my keyboard sound is currently on. To switch it off, open up the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down Sounds and Haptics and switch the toggle off to the right of keyboard clicks. When off, the toggle will turn from green to grey. Now when I go back to my note and type, you can hear that my keyboard is now silent. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.